Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM problems. First, determine if your issue is software or hardware related. Begin by closing all unnecessary applications running in the background. This simple step can often free up significant system resources. Next, perform a full restart of your computer. A fresh boot can resolve many temporary memory glitches and improve overall system performance. Moving on to software solutions, a thorough scan for malware or viruses is crucial, as malicious programs often hog memory. Ensure your operating system and all device drivers are fully updated. Outdated software can cause memory conflicts. Finally, open your task manager to identify and close any applications or processes consuming an unusually high amount of RAM. Now, let's address potential hardware issues. First, power down your computer completely and unplug all cables for safety. Open your computer case and carefully locate the RAM modules. Gently unclip and reinsert each RAM stick, ensuring it's seated firmly until the clips snap into place. While you're in there, use compressed air to clean any dust from the RAM slots. For more advanced hardware troubleshooting, run a memory diagnostic tool, like the one built into Windows, to thoroughly test your RAM modules for errors. If you have multiple sticks, test each one individually in the same slot to isolate any faulty modules. If a stick consistently fails, it's likely defective. Replace any identified faulty RAM with a new, compatible module to restore full system performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.